Hi guys, so and I will show you in a second. Okay, so that's the first layer done. I'm gonna need some more glue probably, but now this just has to dry and then I'll start on the second layer, probably tomorrow. Hi guys, so paper mashed them to the point that I want them, but basically I've got 3 little headbands because I couldn't get hold of a big one, and the aim of it is to try and stick the horns on with the tape to make sure that they won't fall off and all that jazz, and then I paper mache over the tape to secure it a bit and get more in place. So it kind of wants to be on that, it wants to be on an up but a side angle. If that makes any sense. Yeah, that works. It's a bit floppy, but I'll do the rest of this off camera. Okay, so I taped them on, and this is what they look like at the moment. It was quite a position of them, I'm still not 100% because if I were a headband normally. Yeah, that works. Hi guys, so this is where I'm at with the Moxxie horns. You can see the flits horns just drying in the background. I'm quite a mess, so don't judge. I'm going to paint them, so I've got black and white. Okay, so the 6 stripes on Moxxie's head starting with white. I'm going to grab a pencil, or a pen. A pencil probably better. That's a pencil. And I'm going to mark out where the stripes are. So this is Mary, by the way. The last one's black, and it ends here, so there's black, and this one's white. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I guess that works if I'm trying to make them even. You won't be able to see this, but I guess you'll see it when I pin it. Right, I think I'm going to do the whites first. No, I'm going to do the blacks first. I also need to tint this white, the headbands, so the blacks are first. I don't know if I've got enough black paint. We shall see. Because I also need to do the blitz ones. It's a good thing paint's cheap, isn't it? Let's go. So the second one is black. So this is black. Can you see? No. Yeah, this is the black. Now it's going to be quite difficult because I've got to get round all the sides for this, so it'll probably come off the head at some point. But just for the sake of you being able to see it for now. So I'm going to go paint the rest of this stripe off camera. Okay, so I've done the first stripe and that looks actually amazing. I'm so proud. Right. Like, this whole thing was just an experiment for me, and making the tail probably will be as well, so I can just show it all. So the fact that it's actually coming out this well makes me very happy. Doing the white after the black, but after the black is completely set, because then I can fix any issues with the white, or I should be able to, so I'm just going to keep going. Okay, so as you can see, these horns are not by any means perfect, and I haven't yet done the white, but I guess I really like these, so got no else to say. Okay, so that's my Moxxie horns finished. As you can see, it probably needs a bit more paint on it. But once the hair probably covers it up, once I get the hair to cover it up in a wiggy style, it shouldn't really matter that much, to be fair. This to go out. Quite cute though. Leave a like, comment and subscribe, you know all that jazz. If you want to find me on Instagram, I will put that here. And yeah, see you next video. Bye!